scanning at the boarding gate. As a reminder, you may bring one.
Welcome aboard Flight 5J842, Airbus 320 jet service bound for Zamboanga. Safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Zamboanga. In command of the aircraft is Captain Umulon, ably assisted by First Officer Eugenio. Our flying time is approximately 15 minutes.
In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. For your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
These safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance to the existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are our utmost priority. We wish everyone an enjoyable flight. Once again, this is 5J842. Welcome aboard. cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Omolon and First Officer Eugenio, together with your in-flight cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring these with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose these in the bin near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. And for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that an authorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. For guests needing assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to deploy us using the forward door only for proper ground endorsement. Sa mga panauhing nangangailangan ng karagdagang tulong kagaya ng wheelchair, kayo po ang ulit bababa gamit ang unahang pintuan lamang. Maraming salamat po.
Exam doors for arrival question.
As a last safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before you stand to get your bags. Muli hintayin munang matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kumuha ng mga kagamitan. Inaasahan po namin ang inyong pagsunod. Maraming salamat po. Now stand to get your bags. Maaari na pong tumayo.